How to fix complete updates to maintain the security of your device error or warning. So first you will need to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And then you want to click on update and security and then click on Windows updates and click on check for updates. Now if you do find any pending updates, you should download and install them immediately. And if you can't do that, here's a solution. So first you want to right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. Then you want to go to services and click on open services at the bottom. This should open up this window. Now you want to search for Windows Update Service, which should be at the bottom right here. Now you want to make sure that the startup type is set to automatic, and if it's not running, you want to click on the start button to start it, and then you want to click on apply and OK. Now you want to search for Windows Delivery Optimization Service. So it should be right here. You want to scroll down or maybe search for Delivery Optimization, double click on it, and then make sure the startup type is automatic as well, or delayed start automatic, and click on start if the service is not already running. Now you want to click on apply and OK. It's already running and set up in this case. Now you want to restart your computer after applying these settings, and then you want to go back to the Windows update and try to download these updates again. And if for some reason the issue still persists with the updates and you can't download them, here's what you can do. You want to open the start menu and search for troubleshoot like this, and then click on troubleshoot settings. Now you want to click on additional troubleshooters and click on Windows update and then click on run the troubleshooter and wait for this to run the troubleshooter and detect any potential issues and suggest you fixes. Now once it's done, it should tell you what's wrong, otherwise it should tell you that there is no problems, and it will potentially suggest fixes that you can apply immediately to solve the problem. And once you solve the problem, you should go back and try to download the updates. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.